pretty good. So I'm gonna turn around and head back to the north lane. And thanks to my buddy Brian, who gave me the ride to the north lane. As soon as he's finished his hamburger at Dylan's, somewhere over there, he's gonna come over and meet me back and take me back to the truck. So still pretty fucking cool.